Hello friends. You're welcome again to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, I hope to subscribe my channel if you like my content. Do you feel that you are unable to feel happy? Do you feel dissatisfied? Do you feel sad for not reaching your goals? I'm going to ask you some questions. Can you breathe, laugh or eat without pain? Are you fine? Can you stand and walk for hours without pain? If your answer is yes, say praise be to God and be happy. My story with the disease started years ago, and was the result of my mother's illness and death. After years the disease subsided and I no longer felt it. Recently, due to the bad conditions that the whole world is living in, I began to think a lot. Sadness and gloom became angry. At least I feel the constant nervousness of dub cause. All this negatively reflected on my body and my health. He returned to the dreaded illness that makes the person unable to enjoy anything for weeks. I cannot eat any food I love. Anything I eat makes me feel excruciating pain. Deprived of many classes that I am prepared to be able to eat it, not only food. I cannot sleep from my severe pain. Strong cramps in my intestine. If I breathe, he caused me sickness. My friend's health is a crown on the heads of healthy people that only the sick can see. If you are in good health, say thanks God again and again. I have no longer any wish but to recover healthy. Praise be to God, my disease is not dangerous. It is a disease of cramping the nervous system. But I really took a lesson from my disease. It is a matter of dissatisfaction and disturbing ourselves for trivial reasons. There is no need to restore the painful past and cry over it. There is no need to set conditions for our happiness. For we are happy without reason. This life is short to spend with sadness and gloom. Live every day in your life as if it was the last day. Make happiness from the simplest of things and walk away on behalf of negative people. Happiness is not in the money, nor in the most expensive clothes, or in high positions, not traveling around the world. Happiness is contentment and good health. As long as your health is good, be happy always. Thanks for watching.